We have a brother from Bahrain who I think lost something. Can I call him Brother Ian? He has a special announcement to make. Is it Brother Ian?
Yeah, this is it, Tito.
I also like to call on stage Sister Hindi. We just follow where the Lord leads us. All of this, brother. Change it. That's not the right move. Come on, change it. Let's give it up for Brother Ian.
Actually, mag-LQ kami ngayon. Dahil di ko siya pinapansin for 2 days because I was very busy with many things in the conference and she as well is tied up with many things. And I just want to ask forgiveness for kung hindi kita pinapansin for the past few days. Kasi meron akong gustong sabihin sa'yo. You know how much I love you. Ikaw ang parang hiling ko sa buhay. Hiling ko sa Diyos. Do you know me?
Because he was just ignoring me. Sabi ko, what's your problem? Sabi ko, the workshop that I chose it late. I already got better. Kasi we're so busy talaga. So I chose the workshop that I wanted, which was W3. And I didn't know he was there. And when I saw him, I said I don't want to see him. And after Brother Eric gave that workshop, I said, Lord, why'd you put me in this workshop together with Ian, sir? Yes.